Emmet is a toolkit that helps developers write HTML and CSS faster. It can be used in many different text editors, including Vscode. Today, I am going to show you how to use Emmet. But before anything else, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. 1. Nesting. To nest some elements, you just need to add a greater than sign after each tag you want to use. For instance, when I want to have a header with navigation, div, an unordered list, and a list item inside, I just need to type in the following. Two. Sibling. If you don't want to nest your elements, you can simply use a plus sign followed by the tags you want to add. For example, the header, plus, section, plus, article, plus, footer will give a different place for the header, section, article, and footer. Three. Climb up. When you are inside a child element and want to have another element outside that child, you can easily climb up one element with the caret sign. If you type it twice, then you'll climb double elements and so on. Here is an example. Four. Add class. Emmet is also able to include your preferred class name within the tag. The sign you'll use is the same as a class selector in CSS, which is a dot sign. For example, if I want to have a div with a container class, an h1 with a title class, and a navigation with a fixed class, then I just have to do the following. Five. Add ID. Besides class, you can also add an ID inside your tag with a number sign. The usage is the same as adding a class, but you may not type double ID inside. If you try to do so, Emmet will only read the last ID you type. Here is an example. Six. Add text. Emmet is not just as simple as just abbreviating some tags, you can even add a line of text inside a tag. To add some text, you just have to wrap the text with a curly bracket sign. You don't need to add a greater than sign as the text will automatically be added inside the tag. Seven. Add attribute. If you want to add another attribute apart from class and ID, just place an attribute you want to add inside a bracket sign. For instance, I want to have an image that has logo.png source with logo alt, so I just type in the following. Eight. Grouping. When you want to have an element with multiple nested elements inside, then grouping them with a parenthesis sign will help you achieve this easily. For example, if you want to have a container that has a header with an h1 and navigation inside and another section outside the header, I will simply do the following. 9. Multiplication. This feature may become one of your favorite features from Emmet. As with multiplication, we can multiply any element as much as we want. To use it, simply add a star sign after an element you want to multiply and add the number of the element. For instance, if you want to write 5 list items inside an unordered list, then you have to do it like the following. Automatic numbering. Automatic numbering will help you easily write different names with increasing numbers. The right syntax for this feature is a $. Auto numbering is best used with multiplication. For example, I want to add my previously item with a class from item 1 to item 5. So, I just have to add an additional class name with a $. 11. Dummy texts. If you used to write some dummy text by opening lorem ipsum generator like lipsum.com, with Emmet you don't need to do it anymore. Emmet also supports generating dummy texts with lorem or lipsum syntax. You can also specify how long your text will become. For instance, if you want to have some text 10 words long, then you type lorem 10. Auto document. When you are starting a new project, instead of writing the HTML structure manually or copy-pasting from other resources, Emmet can do it for you better. All you need to do is type an exclamatory sign, hit the tab, and the magic happens. That will generate an HTML5 document structure for you. Emmet is a very huge time-saving tool to improve your development workflow. If you just discovered Emmet, it's not too late to give it a try now. Those tricks are just some of Emmet's features, but there are actually tons of other symbols and syntaxes that are available on Emmet, especially for CSS. Just head over to Emmet Docs or Cheat Sheet to expand your Emmet knowledge. That is for today's video. I hope you learned so much, and don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and add some comments. Let me know what topic would interest you. I will make sure that I will read and reply to your comments. Till next time, bye.